Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our Dream View channel. Now I am going to tell you about Godrej 210L Direct Cool Single Door 4-star refrigerator. First I will tell you about the features. The key features are capacity 210 liters, compressor type, normal reciprocating compressor, performance 4-star for energy saving up to 45%, defrosting type direct cool, which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. In addition to that, we get base stand with dryer for storing items that doesn't need cooling. For example, onion, potato, etc. Specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator, user manual, warranty card. Type single door, refrigerator type compact refrigerator, defrosting type direct cool, capacity 210L, warranty 1 year on refrigerator and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 15,699 rupees only. Friends, to get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our Dream View channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.